Hi, my name is Abran Hussain. I'm a Arabic teacher working in a Bay International School. So I bought a home from BBCL Vajra. It's located in Mugapur West. After buying the home, I was looking for the interior designers across. Then I came across Cookscape, who did a very good job, who did the interior work of my home. They use a very good material. They use first class material. Everything was good. The work was done on time, and it was a very good experience with them. So I would suggest all of you, to whoever wants to do new interiors, you can go ahead and hire them for your interior. Thank you.